I'd say that that tree, which is also in line with that lake, took a heck of a hit.
It's on the power line.
Oh, it is on the power lines. Let's go tell them. Oh, the power lines are down. The high power line is down. I guarantee you they don't even know that. There's our high power line. They're running around looking for it. Yeah, I know. Imagine that. It's that close to them. If they're still there.
We should have told them to phone them. Well, they're not.
Oh, they're not there. There they are. And they're trying to get back on the highway. We're gonna tell FBL. Shoot your horn at them. Back that road right where y'all were back down there, if you turn left on that road right there, there's a tree on those, all the high power lines are all taken down.
Left on that next road going that way?
Yep.
On the left.
Yeah.
Go check it out.
It's laying on those, the high power lines are, it's
right.
on them.
Go check it out. You already got your power back on though.
Oh, thank you. Yep. Yep. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Oh, you too.
You want us to tell them?
Huh?
Tell them?
Yeah.